What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Suli G. Welcome. And today I am gonna do a protein treatment on my hair. My camera is tilted, hold on. Yeah, this is better. Yes, today we're gonna do a protein treatment on my hair, mainly because I haven't done a protein treatment in weeks, and also because I feel like my hair has been breaking a lot. It's been growing a lot, which I'm super grateful for, but it's been breaking a lot, like when I detangle it and stuff. I just wanna give it some strength and add some protein to my hair strands. I'm gonna wash my hair. I'm gonna deep condition it in the shower, so I'm not gonna do the whole deep conditioning process today because it's just gonna take too long. I'm torn between Aphogee's two-step protein treatment, which is my go-to. This is my baby. Or Botanica's protein treatment, which I've used before and it's also really good. There's no reason why I'm torn. I'm really just like, I don't know if I should use one or the other, but I feel like I'm leaning towards this just because I have this in my mind and I kind of forgot that I had this. So, I mean, I guess I can do this one, right? Let's do something different. All right, we're gonna do this one. I feel like on my channel, I'm always doing Aphogee's two steps, so we'll do Botanica's just in case anyone is curious as to how this works. My hair is getting so long, by the way. I just really need a good protein treatment, which is what we're about to do right now. So I just wanted to show you real quick what I use for wash day. For my shampoo, I use Ouai's anti-dandruff shampoo that has 2% salicylic acid. This is great if you experience dandruff or if you have seborrheic dermatitis. For me personally, I deal with seborrheic dermatitis, so this really refreshes my scalp. And if I have any itching or irritation, this takes it away and I love it. And then to condition my hair, I did a blend of two things. The first is this Camille Rose Algae Renew Deep Conditioning Mask with cocoa and mango butter. This is so hydrating, it's so good. I actually ran out, so I didn't get to use all of it. So instead what I did was I paired it with Carol's Daughter's Nourishing Conditioner that also has shea butter and babasu oil. This is very hydrating. It's not a deep conditioner, but it's very thick. And so now I put my hair up into two parts. I'm gonna section it off and start adding the protein treatment. I just wanted to make sure that I divided it so that I could evenly distribute it and so that it was detangled. So I'm about to put the protein treatment in now. So it is a little cloudy outside, so I hope it's not too dark, but it looks pretty clear here. I don't do anything too crazy as far as parting wise. I do like to put on gloves because at least with the Aphogee two-step protein treatment, it tends to get sticky. I can't remember if this Botanica protein treatment gets sticky, but just so that I don't make too much of a mess, I'm just gonna put these gloves on. These are just like regular gloves that you can get from the supermarket. And I have these two parts. I'm gonna divide this in half, clip this up, and then run the protein treatment through with my fingers. I don't feel like using a comb is necessary. Sometimes I do it, but in this case, I don't think it's necessary. I'm on my finger, press them in my hands. Protein treatments are usually very liquidy and runny, so you just want to make sure that you have a towel on so that you don't make a mess all over yourself and on whatever furniture or appliances you're using. I just put enough so that it is wet in the product, so I feel like I could use a little bit more, so I'm going to go ahead and apply some more. Just be mindful of your hair, right? Like I know that this specific area, this crown area tends to like not have a lot of definition and it's a lot more frizzier and it doesn't clump up as much. So I try to pay more attention to that area when I'm deep conditioning and when I'm doing protein treatment so that I can make sure it gets as much love as it needs. I feel like this side has a lot more hair than the other side, partially because when I was losing hair, this side was losing less hair, but also I think I just clipped it a little unevenly, so I'm gonna separate this part in thirds. And that literally took 6 minutes. So that was a really fast application, and because I use gloves, it's even faster because I don't have to worry about going to wash my hands. Now I'm just going to let this sit in heat for about 15-20 minutes. If you don't have an air dryer at home, I have like this hair dryer attachment. I don't have a link for it because honestly it was my mom's from like years and years ago and I just kept it. I have to order a new one though because it is old. So I'm going to show you what it is real quick so I can show you how I use it. This is the blow dryer I'll be using today because the nozzle is small, so it fits into this alien looking situation, which is the hair dryer. You can get these on Amazon. I'm literally gonna order a new one right now because this is so old. As you can see, it's stained red from when I used to dye my hair red. So I definitely need a new one. Now what you wanna do is just attach this to the blow dryer. And the reason that you use a blow dryer, just in case you didn't know, is because heat helps penetrate products into your hair strands a lot faster. It opens the cuticle and pushes whatever nutrients your hair needs into it. So if you're doing a deep conditioner, a steamer is great because it pushes moisture and heat at the same time into your hair. We don't want moisture in this situation. We want it to be completely dry. So the idea is just to use a blow dryer. So I put this over my head and the packaging says 15 minutes. Fun fact, that aphogee protein treatment doesn't have a time set on it, which people always ask, like, I don't know how long to leave it on because it doesn't say. So if I don't have like a reference point as far as time, I usually leave it until my hair gets hard because that's how you know that the protein has completely dried on your hair and has gone in. I don't know what this white stuff is. And then I'm just gonna put the blow dryer on low air pressure and warm heat, and then we'll just let that sit for 15 minutes. I just finished drying my hair. It is about 70% dry, but it's also been like 20 minutes and I told you I'm using a different protein treatment, so maybe it's not supposed to get as hard as the aphogee two-step. I mean, it is a little dry and you can feel the crunch. You can hear the crunch is what I'm trying to say, so that's fine because I have to rinse this out anyway. What I do love is how clumped my hair looks. I don't know if you can tell, but you can already see the curls coming together and looking way more defined than before when I first came on camera. I'm going to go and rinse this in hot water and then I'm gonna go directly into styling my hair because I know if I don't do it now, I'm gonna wait until tomorrow and I got things to do tomorrow, so I can't. So we're just gonna do this now. So I have just about all the necessities I need for my wash day. Just so you know, I am going to use Risso's Curl Defining Cream and their Light Hold Gel. I'm going to go really light on the gel because I find that sometimes the gel irritates my scalp. I'm going through this thing with my scalp if you don't know, but I feel like I'm allergic to gel or something. So this one is pretty good. It doesn't give me as much irritation, but sometimes it does. So I'm just gonna go real light, like less than dime size. You guys know how I do this. I do the raking method. I separate my hair individually and style from there. Let me know if you want an updated styling video for my wash day routine, even though my routine is the same. So if you check out my channel, you'll see that I use the same technique. But nonetheless, if you want like an in-depth video, let me know. All right, y'all, so it is officially the next day. I want to show you how my hair came out. I was speaking for an influencer marketing class. I was a guest speaker at a university this morning, so I had already did my makeup and took my hair out and stuff, but let me show you. The curls are intact. They have great definition. They're also very springy. They have great form, which is good. And what I didn't get to show you was that when I was combing through my hair and styling it, I didn't get as much breakage. So usually when my hair doesn't have a lot of protein in it, it tends to break a lot, not only when I wash my hair, but also when I'm styling it with the Denman comb, or the Denman brush, I should say. But my hair wasn't breaking at all. So I knew that my hair needed a protein treatment. Now, it's not to say that my hair is not gonna continue to have breakage or to experience breakage, but at least my hair will be stronger. As for this Botanica protein treatment, I can honestly say that I think it was great. I think it did exactly what it was supposed to do. It didn't get my hair as hard the way the aphogee protein
treatment does. So I don't know what that means, whether that means that more protein is getting in my hair or not, but I still feel like I got the same results. The only thing is that this bottle, I think is like $30. I'll put it in the description box below. But with the aphogee protein treatment, you can literally buy the packs at the beauty supply store for like $3, and one pack should cover half your head, if not your whole head. If it covers half your head, you can just buy two and it totals $6, whereas this is way more expensive. When it comes to pricing, I would definitely recommend the aphogee two-step protein treatment because you can just get the cheaper version, or if you want to buy a bottle, then you can get the larger version, which I don't know how much the larger version is compared to this one. But in either case, I think both are great. I think the protein treatment was exactly what I needed to get my hair curling up the way that I wanted to, but also to get it stronger. And yeah, now I just feel like it looks healthier. Like my curls are clumping way more. There's more volume. There's more spirals in my curls. There's more bounce. Like I just think it looks so freaking good. So let this be your reminder to do a protein treatment on your hair, because apart from washing it and deep conditioning it, your hair needs protein. It's made out of protein. So apart from eating protein, which is also very important, you need to be doing protein treatments on your hair, especially if you have curly or natural hair. So let me know your thoughts. Let me know if you have any questions. Feel free to drop them in the comment section below. Let me know what other videos you guys would like to see, and I'll see you in my next video. Later.